Okay, so I've just taken out the stock exhaust of my FZ6R. That's the old stock exhaust. Thing's pretty heavy. I just replaced it with an old R6 header and also a muffler, a Viper muffler. I used a blowtorch. This one ran out pretty fast. It only lasted for 10 minutes, so I had to use this one too. In order to bend the pipes, the headers I mean, I had to use a bench press bar, and you know, even though I heated it up, I still struggled to bend it. Very hard to bend. What else? What else? Also used a clamp. This is about $3 off AutoZone, so you don't need to weld it. What else? What else? Those are the headers right there. That's the adapter I bought from AutoZone too. So I think it's a 1 3/4 inch adapter to a 2-inch adapter. And there's the clamp right there. It's pretty snug. It's not coming off or anything. I still haven't put the exhaust hanger on this thing yet. I don't have the time. But I'll let you guys hear the sound. Sounds very loud and it's very deep. The bike's already warm, 186. That's only 6,000 RPM. I don't want to piss off my neighbors, so I'm not gonna really rev it up. The exhaust does stick out right here. See the foot peg? It sticks out quite a bit.